Hello everyone. I'm Dr. Mamta Shukla and I'm back again with another set of probable questions for the interview. Well, the placement time is the most exciting time in the campus and at the same time the most dreaded one too. I remember when I was preparing for my placement interview, this question always brought me to the dead end as why we should hire you. Why do you think you are the best candidate for the job? Or why do you want the job at all? I used to think what I should do. Should I start blowing my own trumpets now? Should I start praising myself on my own? What should I do? But today, you will not face the same situation because I have all the solutions to this very question. No doubt this is a tricky question. And the most interesting part is interviewers ask this question towards the end of the interview. When you're through with your technical round, you are through with your HR round, and you have the time to breathe. You think you have done well. Okay, I'm through with it. Probably I'll get this job. And suddenly this question is blown at you. And you don't know what to say. Why they should hire me? What is one good reason why they should hire me? Many a times, interviewers feel that they are asked to elaborate their technical skills, their qualifications, so they start giving answers like, I have completed my bachelor's in so and so stream, or I have done my master's. No, everything is written in your CV. They don't want to know whatever your qualifications are, they are already aware of it. That is why they have shortlisted you. All that you have to tell them is something else that is not mentioned in your CV. They want to know why you have a job. You are the best one suited for the job. They are interviewing other candidates also, similar ones. Let's say you are a fresher, so they must have visited around 5 to 6 institutes on the same day or the following days. They'll be visiting those campuses and they'll interview around 4 to 500 similar candidates. So they are not able to decide. They want you to tell them why they should hire you. Everybody applying for the same job will have same qualification, same set of skills. So what is your cutting edge? What is the thing that you have unique to offer? This is what they want to hear from your end. This is a behavioral question where the interviewer is supposed to stress on qualities. So all that you have to do is approach this question with confidence, make an impression on your employer and tell them something authentic which sets you apart from other candidates. Tell them a quality of yours which matches with the job or the organization values or the organization culture. But please make sure the story, the incident that you're narrating has to be an authentic one. Now, I'll tell you for all different jobs what all you can say and how you can be successful in your interviews. Let us first talk about the sales job because this is one prominent area where majority of the students try their luck. So, what are the qualities needed for sales? I think the interactional skills, people skills, your networking skills and problem solving skills. So, you can narrate them an incident which matches with these skills. Let's say you tell them that in my final year I was in the organizing team for College Fest and we were given this huge responsibility to find the sponsors for the fest. And because of my networking skill, I was the one who had convinced 4 or 5 companies to sponsor our events, and I was hugely praised by my seniors, by my faculty members, by my organizing committee. So this is how I can manage if given a chance to work in the sales field also. But make sure when you're narrating the story, narrate it in such a way that they believe you and they know that you are telling a true one. Now, another kind of job that we can talk about is the job that involves direct customer interaction. So, you can tell them a story like I like to interact with people, and whenever I am free from my studies, from my projects, I visit my old age home near to my place, and I prefer teaching the senior citizens the computing skills so that they are little techno savvy. They can read their mails, they can do all the calculations on the internet and things like that. They can read articles. So that makes them happy, and that gives me immense satisfaction. So interacting with people, helping people in different aspect is my passion. So if given a chance to work in this field, I'll be more than happy, because this will genuinely give me a sense of job satisfaction. Let's say you are applying for an accounting job. So you can tell them a small incident from your own background. Like this time when I visited home in summers, I found that my mother had started her own boutique, and she was very happy to start her own venture. So I had set up all the accounting practices, all the accounting things in her business, and streamlined the whole process so that she can manage her business better. This helped her to work more efficiently, as the work was more streamlined. Her receivables, her costing was clear to her, and she could invest accordingly. So she was happy, and I'm also happy. So this is a very simple incident that you have narrated to your potential employers, but they'll know that yes, you have an acumen to think in that direction. I have given you these few examples. You can even add more. And I have one very interesting task for you all. You can write in the comment section your own answer to this question, as why we should hire you, why you are the best person for the job, what do you have in you that is something special that sets you apart from from other candidates. So you will have to write the answers and post it in the comment section whenever you have the time. Now, other than the story, if you don't have any story to narrate, or if you cannot build a story that sounds authentic, there's one more thing you can do. Since I've already told you, this is a behavioral question where your quality has to match with the job. So you can add a few qualities. You can mention a few qualities like, well, you should hire me because I'm very passionate about my work. I'm keen to work with people. I love to interact in a team. I'm very particular about finishing my work on time. I'm a little perfectionist. Anything you can tell them that you think matches with your profile that you are applying for. So I think I have tried to answer this question in the best possible manner. If you feel that more can be added to it, your suggestions are welcome in the comment section, and please do put a thumbs up if you like the video, because that will help me to improve on myself. Thank you very much. Happy learning.